Hi children, this is me, your English teacher. How are you dears? All are fine. Okay, I hope you are all well. Okay dears, welcome back to our English class. Today we are going to study a new unit. Unit 4, The Lost Child. In this story, written by the famous Bengali writer Mulk Raj Anand. Children, do you like festivals? I like festivals. I like festivals very much. What about you? Okay, you like festival. When the festival comes, you will get new clothes, lots of sights to see. You buy balloons, isn't it? Yes. Okay, children. Here is an interesting entry activity for you. Take your textbook page number 97. What do you see? So many strings and balloons are there. So many strings and balloons are there. How many strings are there? You just count how many strings are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, 10 strings are there. Okay, children, let's find the balloons with letters. Let's find the balloons with letters. How many balloons with letters are there? Count it. How many balloons with letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 balloons with letters are there. Let's number the columns from left to right. Children, what's the letter for column 1? Yes, the letter F. Now you can continue like this. So it is an 8-letter word. What is it? Yes, it's festival. Children, can you name some of the festivals in Kerala? Can you name some of the festivals in Kerala? Yes, they are Onam, Vishu, Ramzan, Christmas, Deepavali. Children, which festival do we celebrate next? Which festival do we celebrate next? Yes, Christmas. Can you write some sentences about Christmas? Can you write some sentences about Christmas? Write on your English notebook. Children, take your English textbook page number 98. There is a picture. What do you see in the picture? Yes, a scene of a fair. Scene of a fair. Fair means mela. How many people are there? How many people are there? More than 5 people. What are the various things in the picture? What are the various things in the picture? Balloons, toys, stalls, etc. Is there any animal in the picture? Is there any animal in the picture? Yes, there is a horse. What is the boy pointing to? In this picture, there is a boy. The boy pointing to the toys. He is pointing to the toys. Who are there with the boy? Who are there with the boy? Yes, his parents. His parents are with the boy. Children, what is all this about? What is all this about? All this about festivals. All these are about festivals. Let's read the passage. The summer fair. It was a summer fair. People walked to the fairground through the narrow lane. Some of them walked and some rode on horses. Some others came on bullock carts. A little boy ran around his father. He was fascinated by toys and stopped to have a close look at them. Come, child, come, called his father. He hurried to his parents. I want that toy, he pleaded. His father looked at him red eyed. The boy walked away sadly with his parents. Once again, I read the passage. The summer fair. Summer means വേനൽക്കാലം. Fair, മേള. It was a summer fair. It was a summer fair. People walked to the fairground through the narrow line. People walked. നടന്നു. People walked. People means ജനങ്ങൾ. People walked to the fairground through the narrow line. Narrow means ഇടുങ്ങിയ. Lane, ഇടവഴി. People walked to the fairground through the narrow line. Narrow line means ഇടുങ്ങിയ ഇടവഴി. Some of them walked. Some of the people walked. Some of them walked. നടന്നു. And some rode on horses. Ride, rode. Ride means സഞ്ചരിക്കുക. Some of them walked. Some others rode on horses. Some others came on bullock carts. Some others came on bullock carts. Bullock carts means കാളവണ്ടി. A little boy ran around his father. A little boy ran around his father. Run, ഓടി. Run, ran, run. A little boy ran around his father. Around, ചുറ്റും. A little boy ran around his father. He was fascinated by toys. He was fascinated. Fascinated means ആകർഷിക്കുക. He was fascinated. ആകർഷിക്കുക. He was fascinated by toys and stopped to have a close look at them. The little boy fascinated by toys and stopped to have a close look at them. Come, child, come, called his father. Come, child, വരൂ. വരൂ കുട്ടി. Come, child, come, called his father. He hurried to his parents. Hurry. Hurried means ധൃതി കൂട്ടുക. He hurried to his parents. I want that toy. I want that toy, he pleaded. Pleaded means അപേക്ഷിക്കുക. I want that toy. Dear father, I want that toy, he pleaded. His father looked at him red-eyed. His father looked at him red-eyed. Red-eyed means ദേഷ്യത്തോടെ. His father looked at him red-eyed. The boy walked away sadly. The boy walked away sadly with his parents. The boy walked away sadly. Sadly means വിഷമത്തോടെ. With his parents. The boy walked away sadly with his parents. Okay, children, your today's task is following. Here is a picture of summer fair. Write a short description about the summer fair. Your second task is the following new words are write down on your English copybook. Fair, narrow lane, ride, fascinate, hurry, plead, red-eyed. Once again, fair, narrow line, ride, fascinate, hurry, pleaded, red-eyed. Okay, children, I hope you enjoyed today's English class. You should complete today's task as soon as possible. Today's English class is winding up. Thank you and goodbye until you see you in the next class. Have a nice day. Bye bye. See you later.